GOT channel. We will introduce the one-touch tuning function of the GOT2000 Drive Control interactive function. If servo parameters are not adjusted in the servo system, vibration may occur. On GOT, the one-touch adjustment function can be used to set servo parameters, which are usually set on a personal computer. First, start the motor operation. Touch the one-touch tuning switch while the motor is operating. Touch the start switch on the one-touch tuning screen. Start the automatic tuning of gain and filter parameters. When the one-touch tuning is performed properly, you can confirm the vibration suppression control is working. When the automatic tuning is completed, you can check the overshoot amount and the setting time. When you want to perform a fine tuning, you can adjust the detailed settings in the tuning screen. On the filter settings screen, you can manually make various filter settings. On the vibration suppression control settings screen, you can manually make the vibration suppression control settings. By using this one-touch tuning function, you can easily adjust gain parameters of the servo amplifier with the on-site GOT and start up and adjust the servo system efficiently.